Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are cracking open the blueprint that turns someone from just, clicking around into a really high-value software quality professional.
We are, and we're going deep into the fundamentals of manual software testing.
And our source material today is really practical. This is foundational learning material we've developed right here at SkillWander.
That's right. Our mission today is to basically distill the 5 core modules that we believe separate a novice from a pro. We're covering the fundamentals, the root cause of bugs, the economics.
Manual versus automation.
Exactly. And then the core testing concepts like black box and white box.
Okay, so let's unpack that, because I think the beginner's assumption is always that your job is to prove the software works perfectly.
Right. And that's the first big myth to bust.
The core insight here says the true purpose is evaluating the product to find defects, risks, or gaps in behavior. Is that just semantics?
No, it's the whole ball game. What really separates the pros is understanding the difference between checking versus testing.
Checking versus testing. Okay.
Yeah, checking is repetitive. It's routine. It's asking, does this button work? Simple stuff.
Click. It works. Done.
Exactly. But testing, that's analytical. It's creative. It's asking, how could this entire workflow fail under, say, unexpected conditions? That's where manual testers add the real value.
And we need that creativity because, well, bugs are just inevitable, right?
They are. They come from human error, from complexity, time pressure, but especially from unclear requirements.
Give me the quick example of that.
Sure. A requirement might just say, the system should send a notification.
Okay. Vague?
So vague. Does it send it instantly? After 5 minutes? To whom? Email, SMS. Every one of those unanswered questions is a potential bug, a vulnerability.
So testers are there to challenge the happy path assumptions.
That's the perfect way to put it. We use the bridge analogy for this. Checking is walking across the bridge on a sunny day.
Easy enough.
But testing is driving a heavy truck over it in a hurricane to see if it snaps.
Okay, so if bugs are inevitable and things are going to snap, the next question has to be about cost. This brings us to the money, the economic side of quality.
Yeah. A bug caught in development it's a technical problem. A bug that gets out to a user in production, that's a business failure, a huge one.
And this is where the bug cost curve comes in, which is a fascinating concept.
It's fundamental. The idea is that a flaw you fix right at the start, in the requirement stage, might cost you, say, $1.
Just $1.
But if that exact same flaw gets found by a customer, it could cost you $100 to fix. Or more.
100 times more. That sounds dramatic. Give me a real example of that.
Okay, let's take that notification bug. If it fails in production, maybe users aren't getting their purchase confirmations.
Ooh, that's bad.
It's an immediate lost sale. It could be revenue leakage. It's definitely reputation damage when they go complain on social media. The real cost isn't just fixing the code.
It's the opportunity cost.
Yeah.
Your team is firefighting instead of building new things.
Exactly. So smart businesses don't see testing as an expense. They see it as strategic insurance.
So if the cost is that high, how did teams mitigate that risk? It's not just about hiring more testers, right? It's about strategy, especially with automation.
This is the biggest misconception for beginners. They think automation just replaces the manual tester.
It doesn't.
Not at all. Strong teams use both. They have completely different roles. Manual testing is thinking-driven. It's for new features, for exploration.
And automation is for checking.
It's checking-driven, perfect for speed, repetition, what we call regression. You have to remember, if a bug was never imagined by a human, it will never get automated.
That strategic split takes us right into the 3 fundamental perspectives of testing. The first one is black box testing.
Right. The black box is the user's perspective. You have no access to the code. You're just focused on inputs, outputs, the workflow. It's where most of us start.
But not where you want to stay. The goal is to move towards the gray box.
Exactly. So you have white box testing, which is really the developer's world-full code access, looking at internal logic.
Right.
But the real professional evolution for a tester is into the gray box. It's a hybrid. You have partial knowledge. Maybe you can access server logs or APIs or look at a database.
And that lets you stop guessing about why something failed.
It's a massive leap in value. You're not just finding bugs, you're helping diagnose them.
So tying this all together.
Yeah.
What does this SkillWander roadmap mean for you, the learner?
It means that manual testing is a high-value skill rooted in critical thinking and risk analysis. Your career path naturally evolves from being a black box explorer to a gray box analyst.
And for a final thought to leave you with, Remember what that black box testing does.
It finds the bugs that actually annoy users the most. Think about it. If a bug is totally invisible to the user, does the business really care?
Probably not.
The highest value a manual tester provides is protecting the business by representing that real-world customer experience. Everything else is just checking.